Hi friends, today let's solve 2018 ESET questions related to microprocessor and microcontroller. So in 8051 external interrupts are controlled by, so basically interrupt enable register. This register is responsible for enabling and disabling the interrupts. So the external interrupts are controlled by interrupt enable register. Remember, it is bit addressable register in which EA must be set to 1 for enabling the interrupts. So the corresponding bits in this register enable a particular interrupt. You can imagine it to be a timer or an external or serial inputs. So the bit corresponding to 1 will be activating the interrupt and 0 will be disabling the interrupt. Also remember, there is interrupt priority register. Okay, and if the interrupt priorities are not programmed, then the microcontroller will be executing in a predefined manner, namely INT0, TF0, INT1 and TF1. What is the length of program counter in 8051 microcontroller? So program counter and stack pointers are 16-bit counters, are 16-bit registers, and these registers are 16-bit so that they can store the 16-bit address as well as data for operations. So they are 16-bit in nature. So move A comma 40H belongs to which type of addressing mode? This basically is a direct addressing mode, and remember, in direct addressing mode the source or the destination address is specified using a 8-bit data in the instruction, and only the internal data memory can be used in this mode. So we are using internal data memory at a particular location. So remember, whenever you have instructions like move memory location comma this, it will be sending the contents of register R6 to port P0, which will be having an address 80H. Okay, so all the addressing mode questions are very important. We'll be discussing them slowly. So how many addressing modes are available in 8051? So we have 5 addressing modes. What are the 5 addressing mode? Immediate addressing mode, register addressing mode, direct addressing mode, register indirect addressing mode, and index addressing mode. Remember all the 5 names: immediate, register, direct, register indirect, and index addressing mode. So pick 8259 is how many chips? Remember, it is a 28 chip in configuration, and I'll show you the diagram for your clarity. So see this, it will be having 28 pins. This is Intel 8259 and it will be having 28 pins. Next, the register in 8085 processor that is used to keep a track of memory address of the next opcode to run. This we have discussed in the earlier video also. Program counter is a 16-bit memory pointer register which is used to sequence the execution of the program instructions. So it also stores the address of the memory location where the next instruction byte is to be fetched in 8085 processor. Generally, PC is incremented by 1 and PC is now pointing to the address of the next instruction. So 8085 processor is what type of CPU? It is an 8-bit CPU. So 8085 processor is a 8-bit processor and it uses totally 246 bit patterns, which is rarely asked. So we can also classify the data transfer schemes into two types, which is serial data transfer and parallel data transfer. And our 8085 microprocessor is basically a parallel device. So it transfers 8 bits of information simultaneously over 8 data lines in parallel IO mode. So the next question, what are the 5 flags in 8085 processor? This is a standard question. So remember, you have sign, carry, auxiliary carry, parity and zero flag. These are the 5 different flags which are in 8085 processor. So see the options, only this will fit for you. So there is a standard question every year on this particular topic. So a dedicated Intel keyboard display controller is which IC? So remember, 8279 is a dedicated keyboard display controller which is designed by Intel, and this keyboard first scans the keyboard and identifies any key which is pressed. So it sends a relative response to the pressed key to CPU. Okay, so 8279 is your answer. So with this, we complete all the questions related to microprocessor and microcontroller in 2018 question paper.